Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, August the 2nd, 2010. Well, the change of trend today, and we have quite a bullish candle. We have a candle with a higher high and a higher low. Previously we can see that the market was retracing this previous fairly strong upswing with a series of candles with lower highs and lower lows and fairly small bodies to these candles. Now we have a gap up, and we have a very large green-bodied candle. The large green body tells us that the buyers have made some very solid net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close. Now this candle is opened at the low and closed up towards the high, which means that the buyers have closed this market in control, and they're very, very strongly committed to taking this market higher. In this trading day, we've taken out the previous swing high as well at around 11.20, so quite a bullish day. In Ichimoku charts terms, the market has an overall neutral bias in the longer term time frame because the market is trading within the cloud. The market is trading up above the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is bullish in the short term and medium term time frame. Some time ago we had a crossover of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen, which was a bullish signal, and that was a few weeks ago. And that signal occurred down below the cloud, which meant that it wasn't a very strong signal. Now this market is trading up towards the top of the cloud or the Kumo, and anywhere within the Kumo can offer potential support or resistance, and in this case the top of the cloud around 11.30 will offer potential resistance. So if this market has a very bullish close outside of this area, it may be quite significant for this market, with it transitioning from being in an overall neutral phase to a bullish phase. I'd like to see a solid bullish close up above there. Now, just a word of caution is that when the Kumo is flat, then there is a possibility to have false breakouts. So one way to get around that is that if we do see a breakout, we'd like to see, in this case, a bullish breakout, which will add a little bit more weight to evidence that the market may continue to the upside. Now, also, the top of the Kumo roughly correlates to a previous support and resistance area at 11.33, so the market will need to trade up above there as well. Further to the upside, there's resistance at 11.50 and up to about 11.63 and higher. To the downside, if the market does react off this, the top of the cloud here, then there is potential for the market to trade down and find support anywhere within the cloud. So there is potential support through the cloud here at around the 11.06 area, which roughly coincides with the whole number 1100. Also at the bottom of the cloud, which is around the 10.96, 10.93, and the Tenkan-sen is also trading down around there. Now, interestingly, the Tenkan-sen is pointing up fairly sharply, and that reflects the strong upside momentum that the market has. The Kijun-sen also is pointing up sharply, so good, strong upside momentum there in the medium-term time frames. And interestingly, if we look back to the previous few trading days, the Kijun-sen had turned flat, and the price action was attracted back towards there. And in this case, the market attempted to trade down below the cloud and found support at the Tenkan-sen and bounced off there. So it's little wonder that the market has changed trend. We also had a spinning top type candle, and they can be quite significant for changes of trend as well. Slight worry here is that when we have extreme bullish days and the opposite for bearish days, the market can tend to want to relax. So combined with the fact that we're approaching an area of potential strong resistance, there may be a possibility that the market may come off slightly. We may not necessarily see a change of trend. That is a possibility, but there is a chance that we'll see the market capitulate here. So this area around 11.30 to 11.33 becomes very strong. If we have a solid bullish close out up above, then there is potential for the market to trade up to 11.50.